Ever wondered about earning passive income? There's an idea that might pique your interest: creating and selling digital products online. Here's a breakdown of the process, step by step. Firstly, choosing a niche is crucial. This should be something you're passionate about, but it also needs to have market demand. Think ebooks, online courses, printables, or stock photos. The possibilities are endless. Next, it's time to create your product. This involves developing a high-quality digital product that provides value to your target audience. You can use an array of tools for this, including Canva, Adobe Creative Suite, or video editing software. The key is to ensure your product is of high quality and serves a purpose for your audience. Once your product is ready, the next step is setting up an online store. Websites like Shopify, Etsy, or Gumroad are great platforms to showcase and sell your digital products. Make sure your store is user-friendly and visually appealing. Now, you can't just sit back and wait for customers to come to you. You need a marketing strategy. Utilize social media, email marketing, and SEO to drive traffic to your online store. Collaborating with influencers or running ad campaigns can also help you reach a larger audience. But how do you manage the sales process? Automation is the answer. Use tools like email autoresponders and digital download platforms to automate the sales process. This way, your products can be delivered instantly without any manual work on your end. Finally, it's important to continuously optimize and scale your business. Keep an eye on your sales and customer feedback to improve your products. Scaling your business could involve expanding your product line or reaching out to new markets. In conclusion, creating and selling digital products online is a process, but it's one that can lead to a steady stream of passive income. By choosing the right niche, creating a valuable product, setting up an online store, implementing a marketing strategy, automating the sales process, and consistently optimizing and scaling your business, you're well on your way to financial freedom. So why not give it a shot? The digital world is at your fingertips.